Hadian Shibana Sdang ka Jing up Ñiew ki vote jong election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka Jala Meghalaya kumba on long lang na kabanta katura Parliamentary Constituency but ki wei pat ki constituency hagi Jala kari India ha ka South Tare ujilio arja arpsau ka Jingpynkhreh na kabanta ka Ñiew vote ka long ka Ïaid bet Ïaid nanti but ka basngan Hakan nok pai sengi jong kalai tere ujilio arja arpusau lasaki ek jing hiar lek jungo chief secretary ke jela uba DP walang IAS ya ka jaka Ñiew vote a Polo Shillong haringkat ka jinga don lang u chief electoral officer u BDR Tiwari u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills u badai u returning officer ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency nalor ki pan U Chief Electoral Officer ulapan pau ke jing sohun hagur Jingpynkhreh ke jing Ñiew vote hakani ke jaka na kabanta ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency but kumjo hatura na kabanta ka Tura Parliamentary Constituency ru kala long ka Ïaid ben Kumban Shukdo baka Meghalaya ka balapan long ka jing tap vote na kabanta Artli ki Lok Sabha Parliamentary Constituency haka khat khandai tari uyayong arja arpusau kata na Shillong wat Tura kalayo jing ken baka jingwan ki nong tap vote ka long 0.0% kata khat Ñiew lak san hajar South Part 0.0 ngot na ka jingdon baro arpar lak 0.0 san spa nrupunyo ngot ki nong tap vote haka jalla baro kawai Na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kabakan top lai penrutli ki Legislative Assembly Constituency karilum khasi jain tia kata khat saulak sauspa khat wengut ki nong tap vote ka jingken na ki pa one tap vote kalong shipolak lai pulai hajar arspa lai punyo ngut katba na Tura Parliamentary Constituency kabakan top arpo sautli ki Legislative Assembly Constituency harilum garo kabadon pralak arpunru hajar shispa san punru ngut ka jingken baki ba one tap vote kalong henriu lak Ñiew hajar arspa lai pukundai ngut Na Shillong seat ki Kyrtong ki Beit rang ban yo mi khmat Lok Sabha ki kanthop yo ba Vincent H Pala jong ka Congress ka Dr Mazel Amprin Lingdo na ka NPP u Dr Ricky AJ Singkan ka VPP u ba Robert June Kharjarian jong ka UDP but arngot ki Kyrtong Clem Seng kata u Professor Lakhon Kama but u ba Peter Shalam Kadbana Tura pat ki dan saungot ki Beit rang kata ka Agatha Sangma na NPP u Saleng Sangma ka Congress u Zenit Sangma ka Trinamool Congress but u Kyrtong ba Clem Seng u Laben CH Marak
Are you happy with the preparations? Sir, are you satisfied?
Yeah, we are satisfied after looking at all the processes adopted by the returning officer, and I'm sure that the counting will be conducted effectively tomorrow starting at 8 o'clock in the morning.
What security measures are good?
Security measures are adequate. I've just had a discussion with the SB of the district, and adequate quantum of force has been placed here. So we are satisfied with the arrangements.
All the needful security arrangement already been assessed by the concerned district authorities and sub-divisional authorities, and needful arrangement already placed in.
Sir, how many companies of CAPF we have for the counting, sir?
We are having sufficient number of the police personnel for the counting centers and to look after law and order and all the situations.
The counting will start at 8 a.m.
Yes.
And when we will be able to know the results?
Once the counting will be over, then basically counting will start in the RO counting centers by 8 a.m. in the morning, and at the RO's counting centers in Shillong and Tura, the counting of EVM will start by 8:30, and in other centers it will be morning by 8. So data flow and all other arrangement already well in place, and all the needful arrangement also have been done. So we are hopeful very soon once the counting process will be over. After following the due procedure, ROs will declare.
So by 10?
I can't predict. Yes, all the needful arrangements, since you see there is a challenge especially in the Shillong, but all the makeshift and temporary arrangement with all the needful security measures already in place, and it is like a tradition earlier also happened in same kind of venues, and the team is quite well versed, and the arrangement they made, it is as per the instruction of the EC, and very nice arrangement has been done for the each and every.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.